Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by positioning your subject and opening portrait mode in the camera app. Make sure the subject sits 3 to 8 feet away so the software can detect depth. This distance is crucial. Once done, turn on the grid to align composition and wipe the lens for sharp detail. If your app offers exposure or focus lock, tap and hold to set it now. These steps prepare the phone to separate subject from background so bokeh and edge detection work reliably. You now compose deliberately. Place the subject off-center with the grid and simplify the background to boost separation. Tap specifically on the subject's eyes to anchor focus. This tells the algorithm where sharpness matters most. If brightness is off, slide exposure up or down to preserve skin tones. Once focused, preview the portrait lighting or depth slider. These controls let you increase or decrease blur and lighting style. Make small adjustments and watch the live preview so the final shot matches your intent. You're ready to capture. Hold the phone steady or mount it on a tripod and press the shutter. Use burst mode if your subject moves. After shooting, review the image at full screen and tweak the depth slider or portrait effects to refine bokeh and edge transitions. If you see halos or incorrect masking, that's usually poor light or insufficient distance. Move the subject a little farther from the background, increase ambient light, and retake the photo. These fixes resolve most portrait mode errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.